watch Solo Leveling Season 2. So, from last week's episode, we still haven't figured out who the characters we couldn't remember. I think I know who Jinchul is, but the other ones the other ones I really can't remember. How about you, Machi?
Oh, I still couldn't recall them. No cheating here. We haven't searched any character names yet. I hope they would show the characters by this episode so we could recall some.
Oh, but I can remember, I can recall Baek Yunho now. Is it Yunho?
Yeah, you know.
Yunho, right? Yeah. Let's start and see what will Jinwo will show us for this episode.
I'm so excited to see what's gonna happen to the second group. And if this episode could beat the episode 2 of season 1.
Oh yeah, the double dungeon episode. Solo leveling season 2 episode 2.
Now, serving!
Arise.
Oh, after he killed them, he could summon them now?
Oh!
Oh!
Mm-hmm.
3 hours already?
Dong So. He's here. Look at Jinchul.
I've seen memes everywhere.
Memes of what?
Yeah, that's 3 of them. 3 characters down here.
Oh!
But it's not a C dungeon, right?
No,
C rank
no.
dungeon.
No, no,
It
no.
felt like it was A or something.
Mm-hmm. Oh! Wait! Ah! Wait, his hair changed to white! What?
His hair!
What happened? What happened?
Why change color?
Oh!
Whoa!
Are we seeing fight here?
Okay, Esrag. No, you know!
I'm so excited! Wait!
Go, you know!
No freaking way! Are you serious? They were fighting outside?
Yeah, they are.
Why is there
But I'm with you know with this one. I don't like Bongso that much.
Oh, it's this guy!
Oh.
Wait, he was able to escape?
Yeah, he was able to escape. Oh, no one left with his team! Oh!
This guy! Crap him. Crap him. Hey!
Oh!
Nice, Jinchul! He was able to stop them. Why is there so much happening here in episode 2?
There was a tension outside and inside the dungeon.
Yeah. I think this is gonna be on the same level as episode 2 from season 1.
Not yet. There's no exciting part yet.
I'm not excited.
This was just the beginning.
Mm-hmm. But I don't remember him having white hair.
It changed. On this season 1, it doesn't show there. It's changing. It was just revealed this episode.
Maybe.
He just left like that? That's sad.
All the tension is
I'm kinda
gone.
disappointed.
Whoa! This guy is going crazy.
What happened to him?
Oh, it's because his team was
His
wiped
team was
out.
wiped out.
And these guys were having camp. Oh no! You're crazy! No!
How did he escape? I wonder now.
Why is he blaming them? It's not even their fault his team died.
Actually, it was his own fault.
Yeah.
In the first place, who asked to divide it into 2, it was him.
Yep. Whoa! Jinwoo just threw him.
That's it. Oh, there they are.
Hey!
So they
No!
just followed him. Okay.
Mhm.
So he doesn't escape. Oh!
Oh! Wait! It was a fake?
So no one survived?
No freaking way!
Even him?
Oh!
Yeah. How this one could speak.
What? He's using the skills from Megumi.
Oh, that's so sudden.
Oh, this is what I wanna see from last week's episode. I wanna see him move. You're not
What
human?
are you talking about? What is he talking about?
Uh-huh. Eh?
Then what?
A lot of what
if
here?
if he's not a human anymore, what is he?
Did it
Did
happen?
the
Huh?
did the human Jin who died on the double dungeon incident?
Yeah, right. Because that's the only part where he died. What? There's glitch. Maybe their internet has problems. Yeah.
Oh.
No.
Yes, they are.
I'm so curious at what level he is now. Let's go.
But
Oh. Oh, let's go Bears.
but there's more people now knowing his secret. There's
Yeah.
3.
Uh-huh.
Whoa! That was so fast.
Yeah. Oh yeah, he has a problem with mana whenever he's summoning, right?
Yes.
It takes a lot of mana. Yeah. Oh my god, Gino. My heart is not ready.
Exchanging names before the battle ends.
Yeah.
Oh,
This guy reminds me of Megumi when they fought. It's just like this.
at least he knows his name before he died.
Ah, yeah. Eh! Oh, okay. Hey, no, he's still alive. What?
He
I'm
was
so
there.
I'm so
He was there all
confused.
along. And they just followed him as a bait.
Oh, okay. So now this guy knows his secret.
Yeah. Now he was running against him now.
Idiot.
Okay.
As if.
Still not in his senses.
It's Igris? No? Eh? What? What? Oh, there. He summoned Igris. Eh? Wait.
Why?
What? Eh? What?
Why
I
did
don't
he?
understand!
Oh no! I thought he wouldn't kill any human anymore.
Eh? No! He said arise! So he's gonna summon him? Oh! He became part of his, shadow army.
He made him one of them. Oh
Freaking
no!
way, Jinwoo. That's cheating.
Why he made him one of them? Why Megumi was not?
Yeah!
He should made no.
Yeah. He should bring back Megumi. Jinwoo, we want Megumi. Bring him back.
Please keep his secret, please. No one should know this.
These guys, they're so surprised.
Yeah, just think it was a dream. So when you wake up, you don't remember anything from it.
Yeah. Oh my god, he's fighting and he's fighting with Igris. Damn, this is so good.
Ooh.
Nice. Nice teamwork.
There you go.
Let's go, Jinwoo.
Ooh.
Eh.
Wiped out? Oh
Oh
no!
no.
They are wiped out already. Why? Oh my! You're alone now. Let's do this.
He can summon it back.
Oh,
Okay, so he
that's his
renamed.
new name.
Yeah, he renamed this guy and called him Iron. Dude, you just murdered this guy. Oh, poison?
Yeah. Oh no.
No.
He went stealth.
Huh?
He just went stealth and stabbed him.
Oh, I can't remember Jinwoo being this brutal.
He changed so much.
Dude, it's just like 1 year since season 1. What happened to you?
What happened to him? Oh!
Oh, even the personality changed? So cute, they're fighting.
Oh. Are they would be able to go out now? Oh, there.
There.
Oh, finally.
Oh my god, he's gonna be found out.
Oh, keep a secret, please. But
What?
Dongsu, and Jincho
Mm-hmm.
probably figured this one out
Yeah, I think Dogs already knows about Jinwoo.
because every time Song Hunter entered dungeon, something happened.
Kim Hunter. What the heck? Your Kim Hunter's now one of the shadow
Sorry,
soldiers.
but he got killed.
By Jinwoo! Freaking
We're so
Jinwoo!
sorry to deliver the news. Oh, four of them only survived.
Again!
Yunho would be probably suspicious with this one. You survived and Song Hunter came out of it.
Mm-hmm.
Questionable. Why E ranks and lower?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
Up for questioning. Oh, no. Oh. Oh.
Oh, boss, calm down.
Did you get Iron's name? His human name? Beck something?
Who?
Iron name. His human name.
Uh,
You know, mentioned it earlier.
his name is Kim some.
Kim Beck something. Beck
What?
Kim.
What is that?
Ah! It's just flashed on the screen.
I I
But
I
then,
I think his name is Kim Chul or something like that. Kimchi.
kimchi.
I'm so bad. I'm so sorry. Hey, I need to bring him to our guild. Oh my god.
Oh.
So it was his plan? What? I like you?
Huh? Oh no.
Oh no!
Oh no.
Oh no! Stop with the girls! We slap you!
Another one.
Oh yeah, his prize. I wonder what happened to his daily quests. Remember he has daily quests before. Like he has
Maybe you're still doing it. Eh?
yeah, the first one is Dong Suk.
Dongsu.
Then
Dongsuk.
yeah, and
Dongsuk din
then
Megumi.
Megumi, and then Kim Chiu is the third one.
Kimchi. Yes! Yes!
You're
Yes!
so cute.
Gino is here.
What's with the outfit? Oh my god, he's so cute. Why does he look so fresh here?
So flirty. All of a sudden, oh my gosh! Please no! Please!
Look at Gino, he's so confused.
What's happening here?
Huh?
What are you thinking? It's not like that. No.
Oh
She was just like a sister to him, okay? Gino! Gino is acting.
That's so crazy. It's so stupid.
He's overthinking, okay? Calm yourself. It's not what you're thinking.
Gino, she's underage. What the heck?
Han is underage, okay? What? He was not going to smash her, okay?
Oh my god. This episode is not as great as season 1 episode 2, but it was
Not a suspense.
yeah.
No,
It's not as suspense
not
as
intense, but
mhm.
but it's exciting, you know.
Yeah. Lots of exciting parts like that one with Baek and Dongsu. I thought they were really gonna fight.
Luckily, Jinsho was there, so
Yeah.
whew.
To the rescue. But I wasn't expecting what Jinwoo did with Kim. I don't know his name. So sorry, Kimchi. So, I
He turned
really
into a shadow. So
yeah. But from what Jinwoo said before it happened, it's like he was already planning on taking him. So
what?
yeah, I think so. It seems like
So
that.
taking higher ranks and turning them into shadow.
Yeah, I think so. It kind of felt like that because he was like, yeah, he was he said
He
something like,
was A, right?
yeah. He was Aram.
Oh, that's sad, but because there's no more emotion of killing human in
Yeah.
Jinwoo's face.
Mm-hmm.
Jinwoo's face no longer no he doesn't have any emotions for human anymore. That
Yeah.
is why when the monster was talking to him, huh, coming from you, who
You're not
already
human.
killed two, now three.
No, three. Yeah.
Ah,
This is all Megumi's fault because Megumi triggered this emotionless Jinwoo.
it changed everything.
Yeah.
Mm. So what do you think, classmates?
Comment your thoughts below.